You'll have love at first sight with the 2017 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. The XT5 crossover has premium eye-catching lines, all-weather capability, flexible cargo space, and the latest technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. Sophistication was never so practical. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, premium sound system, heated front seat, power driver seat. You deserve an automobile that will turn heads. Test drive the XT5 crossover.